Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to fix tap to click not working on Mac issue. Tap to click is a popular feature for Mac trackpads that allow users to tap on the trackpad to perform a click, rather than exert physical pressure to physically click down on the trackpad. Many Mac users like to use tap to click, so if you find it suddenly not working or not working as expected, here is how you can fix it the right way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, click on the Apple menu located at the upper left corner of the screen and choose System Preferences in the drop-down menu. Alternately, you can bring up the Spotlight search and search for the System Preferences app and launch it. Then go to the trackpad and then uncheck the box for tap to click. After that, you have to restart your Mac. Simply click on Apple menu and choose Restart. Once your Mac has restarted, go back to the trackpad setting and then check the box for tap to click and you are good to go. That's pretty much it. Hopefully trackpad should start working now. Now check out if the problem is gone. If it has, then it's time to rejoice. If you have found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.